Here we start with a view of the new load sensing valve in position on the near side of the truck, fastened to a bracket just welded between the chassis webs. The other end of the valve is attached to a bracket which is here on the axle casing, and that's the original bracket that was on the other side of the axle casing, put across to the near side and turned up the other way. We get a better view now of the load sensing valve in position. Excuse the camera jiggle. Right, here we go. The feed pipe comes along the chassis here, and this is it coming along the chassis. It originally crossed the chassis and went to the offside, but now the load sensing valve is on the near side. We've just brought it all the way along and straight into the valve. Out of the valve comes a little bit of rigid bracket here onto the flexible. This is the flexi hose here, and that comes down, and that's just held with the bulkhead fitting here on a little bracket put on the plate that carries the handbrake actuator. That continues in rigid pipe all the way down to the T-piece on the axle. So very straightforward fitment. One piece of rigid pipe, piece of flexible, piece of rigid just here going into the load sensing valve on a little bracket. It's a very quick and easy fix for the lack of spares for your Bedford.